Good morning, guys. Got my first delivery of the day here. This is it's been a very small business for the past few years that I'm delivering to, and haven't got too many deliveries coming here. Well, now they're really building onto this place, like turning it into a pretty good sized operation. So, good thing for us is we might get more deliveries here, which means keeps the trucks running and potentially getting more trucks running out in this area. You know, the more the businesses do good, the better we do. And the reason I'm mentioning this is because I had some dummy in the comments the other day. I think I was jealous of a business owner. Well, why would I be jealous of somebody that's making our business even better? If they're successful, I'm successful. So that's how this business works in trucking. You want to keep your trucks on the road, so we're at the mercy of the orders. So a guy like this now, I'm very happy that they're doing all this construction here. It's close to one of the stores. It's going to be a really easy delivery. And if we get more multiple deliveries here, that's just good for us. Because in an area like this where it's seasonal and some days your trucks could sit, well, you know, if truck's not moving, the truck's not making money. So there is no reason whatsoever to be jealous of another businessman. That's just nonsense. So this is great. You know, this area out in the Coachella Valley is still booming, even though the economy's taking a dump. This is kind of the cheaper way out of LA out here. Farther out in Coachella area where they did the big music festival. It's just, they're putting up houses left and right, and then up the hill 30-40 minutes from here in Joshua Tree and Yucca Valley, the Airbnb market has just taken off because of the Joshua Tree National Park. So just this year alone, we've had 2 trucks in this market for maybe 6 years now. Well, this year we were able, because of the Airbnbs alone up in Yucca Valley, we were able to add another truck to the market. So, you know, good news for us. So, this is out in, I guess we're in Indio. So, Indio is right next to Coachella. So, you know, when construction's going on for the homes and things getting built around, all these businesses around here are going to get bigger, which means we're going to get bigger. So this is good to see this business doing what it's doing, because it was just a little tiny operation, and now looks like they've cleared out about 2 acres of land. The guy said they're going to build a showroom, and they're doing all kinds of stuff here. So. And they're a general contractor, so they do all kinds of different work. So we could be delivering anything from pavers to, right now I'm doing some kind of piping. Looks like they got roofing stuff here. I mean, they got everything under the umbrella of what we deliver, so this is great. And it'd only be in 8 minutes from the store. Going to help us a lot. Saves fuel if it's a more constant delivery. It'll be good all the way around. But that's how this contractor trucking works. For anybody that's interested in doing it on their own, or if you're already doing it for somebody else and you know want to start your own trucking company, that's kind of the way it goes. You start with one truck, you know, build up your reputation, and then you start trying to add trucks, then your costs go down. You get better deals on insurance, and then if you're leasing trucks, you get better deals on leases once you get a fleet going. So that's, I mean, if you're in a trucking company, that's ideally what you want to happen. You know, you don't want to be just driving your own truck and that's it. In this kind of operation, you want to have multiple trucks, because these aren't over-the-road trucks. They don't make as much money as the over-the-road trucks do, but once you get a fleet going, you do all right. But yeah, this is a real nice, easy delivery. It's going to be easy in the future too. We've got a bunch of big open area here to deliver whatever I need to deliver. A nice place for me to unload. And I just gotta get my picture real quick. Close this out. All right. There we go, delivery done. But yeah, that's just the way the trucking industry works and what I do. The more deliveries you get in your area, the better you're doing. So, for any new guys that are thinking about, you know, sticking to this and getting to the main contractor level of this, that should be your goal. Just doing it for work, you know, then, you know, I guess find what you want to really do for a living and work on that too. You should always be looking to better yourself in life, no matter what you're doing. Always looking for the next bigger and better opportunity. So, anyways, that's it for this one. Easy delivery. Hopefully a bunch of future deliveries here. And, give me a like or subscribe if you want to hear more videos like this, and give me a comment if you want, and I will catch you guys on the next one. Hope you have a great day.